Hi guys, so today I received a sourdough kit. I'm really excited about it. I love sourdough bread and I've always been very curious about making it. So let's give it a try. Here we have 3 pliers made out of silicone. One of them is a scraper, a spatula, and a brush. So let's continue to get the jar out of the box. Like I said, very well protected. Remember the jar is made out of glass, so you want to make sure that you receive it intact and not broken. So let's see everything that's inside. So that is a metal lid. Here we have some measuring spoons. There's 5 different sizes. A lid that can be also for the bottom, a breathable cloth to allow for fermentation. This one is a sticker for the temperature, and one elastic band to put all the dates on the jar. This sourdough kit has a large capacity up to 35 ounces, and that is very nice. So as you can see here, I put the silicone on the bottom that allows to non-grip, and you can see that all of the silicone, they reach the bottom. Here are the 5 different measuring spoons, and this is how your sourdough kit will look like. We have the temperature, we have the dates. So definitely, I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to give it a try. Like I said, I love sourdough bread, so this weekend, I think I'm going to be using this a lot. To start, I'm going to mix 60 grams of wheat flour and 60 grams of warm water. After all this, you're going to mix it up very well until you have a very sticky and pasty consistency like this. When you have reached that consistency, you can cover with the cloth lid, and then you want this to be in a very warm and dark place so your sourdough can ferment, so you can get this started ready. I'm going to store it in the microwave.